Okay, welcome to this video. In this video, you will see three things very important to know. Kubaza, kubariza, kubarira. In this video, you will have a lot of information how you can get used with Kirundi and to get better Kirundi speaking. Is that why I think it's very important to stay until the end of the video. Also, if you have time also to take formation, is very important. But let's start with the teacher. She will start with some example to help you to understand by example these three things. After me, I will complete it with more information.
Ndakubaze ufise abana bangahe? Nifuza kumenya igitigiri cabo. Mbariza ubwoko bw'ibinyobwa bafise ngaho ucuza umbwire. Mubarire ko hari abantu ngaha bamurondera.
Okay, let's take the first example with Kubaza. In definition, it's like to say something you don't know, but you want to know it. It's what is right in Kirundi. But it's very important. First, I wanted to say the video we explain, and also in the formation, the difference between Kubaza no Gusawa. That is very important. I don't want to take time to explain that here, but if you want to get more, to know more, you can go to ask in commenter or directly in the formation. Let's go with this example, Kubaza. The Kubaza ufise abana bangahe? It's like a question, simple question you ask. I want to ask you how many kids do you have? It's like to ask in translation. To ask for something that you don't know. After, in the other example, we were with kubariza, mbariza ubwoko. I like this way of speaking, if you want to, because it's like something more used by native people. And I think it's very important that you can listen how the teachers speak more and more in order to get used with Kirundi. But what I want to say here, in the definition, is like to send someone to take something or to ask for something another people. In previous video, it's like I put 3 circles. It's like here, in the first circle, it's like me, I'm here. For example, I'm here, and I want to send someone. Yes. I want to send someone else. It's like a red guys. I said him something, and he need to go there to ask. It's like he will move. How I can do it? Then he will move to this one, to the second one. He received the information. He came back. He give me. It's like sometimes I remember one guy was coming in the office. He said me, I look for someone, and after he said me, kubariza no one, and in the translation it's like, ask for me, go and ask for me. I was thinking, kubariza, what do you want to do? It's like, okay, he was waiting that I go there, I ask for him, And after I came back to look, I said, no, I don't have time. But it's something very important. If you don't want to go further in Kirundi, it's very important to understand that the formation is very important. If you don't live in Burundi or if you are outside, you need to follow this kind of formation, our formation. Then we are finished with Kubaza, no kubariza. The last one is kubarira. In some dictionary, you can go and see to tell. To is good, but it's not good. No, it's good, but it's why I don't want to say it's not good. It's like in French, in English, if you give a translation different because it's the same. It's the same racine. That means it's come from Kubaza, kubariza, kubarira. It's like in the same family. You know, to see, to tell, to ask. Me, I don't like this kind of. It's personal, but what I want to go further. In the example, she said, "Mubarire ko hari abantu nga bamurondera." It's very simple. It's like tell to him that there are some people here who is speaking to him. And it's like someone speaking to me. It's like in this position, if I take the first position I took in the first exam, in the second exam, it's like me. I go there and I come back to. I go there to say something for him. Here is kubariza. It's like, okay, I will go there. If it's me, I speak to him. I said, I'll go there and come back. If you see him, he's sending me there. I go there, I come back, and I said to him, here in this case, I need to go or here. It's depending who will say the thing. I go there, I said, some people will come. Okay, I finished my job. You understand the difference? What? I think it's good. It's not good to go further, but it's very important to know that if you want to go further in Kirundi, you need to know that kind of thing. Okay.